How to make an iPhone camera full screen permanently. First, when you open the camera on your iPhone, this results in black bars at the top and bottom of your screen. Now, let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9 to make the camera full screen. Tap the arrow at the top of the camera screen to reveal more options. Here, click on the aspect ratio options, which may be labeled 4:3 or 1:1. From these options, select 16:9 to make your camera full screen. Normally, when you exit and remove the camera app from your running apps and lock your phone, the settings reset back to the normal ratio. To make 16:9 aspect ratio permanent, we'll need to adjust a setting. To adjust, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Camera option. In the camera settings, find the option called Preserve Settings and tap on it. To keep the camera full screen, make sure the Creative Controls and Camera Mode option is enabled. This will lock the 16:9 aspect ratio, making it the default every time you open the iOS camera. To verify, go back and open the camera app on your phone. Check whether your phone camera is in full screen or not. And that's it.